Welcome to 101 Briarcliffe East. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a wraparound covered front porch and a large fenced backyard. Sits on a large corner lot in the Briarcliffe Estates subdivision in Elgin, near Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to both I-20 and I-77, Northeast area amenities, as well as a quick drive to Fort Jackson. So you can see nice sized corner lot here with mature landscaping and trees on the lot. So you have a very attractive sort of rustic style home, 2 stories. You can see the front entry there. We'll go ahead and step up onto the porch so you can see how it sort of wraps around the side of the house. So it goes around the front and then also all the way around to the side door off of the house as well. And then you can see this area comes back. So while we're back here, we'll just go ahead and show you the outside. There actually is no other way out to the backyard from the house at the actual back. So you'd access the backyard via that side door we just passed by into this large backyard. But you can see you have nice big mature trees back here, sort of a multi-level yard. And in that far corner you can see there is a storage shed and workshop. It does have some lighting attached to the outside, so it may be powered as well, but do not quote me on that. And then we'll continue around. Again, this is the door sort of off the, I believe off the kitchen area that you'd use to access the side and go out to the backyard. So just keep that in mind. So we're back around to the front. We step into the foyer of the home. So you can see the stairs go straight up here, and then off of the foyer right inside we have, to our right, a formal living slash dining space, and then on this side you have a half bathroom, conveniently located off there as well. It does have a window out to the front also. But again, the space off of here has laminate flooring, so it could be used as either a formal living room, most likely, as you come in, but could be a formal dining room as well. And then you step into the kitchen, laminate flooring in here as well. And so you have a nice cozy kitchen set up in white, smooth top, electric range. You have a stainless base dishwasher, and then a refrigerator. Good cabinet space in here. You can see there's some crown molding as well. But you see you have additional cabinet space on this side, and then it continues into a nice eat-in kitchen dining area. So you have a huge picture window here in this sort of breakfast room with a ceiling fan. Great views out to the backyard, as you can see. And then right through here you connect to the family room, which has, as you can see, a fireplace. Looks like it's a wood burning fireplace. You have some exposed beams on the ceiling, a tile hearth, and some stone around that fireplace as well. And then you have some built-in cabinetry there, as well as a wet bar, sort of a wet bar mini bar area, which is nice. You have a sink and some additional cabinetry there. Laundry room off of the family room. It's a full-size laundry room, or oversized, honestly. And full side-by-side washer dryer connections, and some shelving above, as well as some shelving there. And that's that door out to the side. And then in here you have just a closet, I believe. Not sure if you can quite see in there, but no hanging space, just sort of shelving in there. And then we're back out to that foyer with the bathroom. So we'll take a look upstairs now. You have carpeting starting here. It goes up to the 2nd level. And we have a very large master or primary bedroom suite, as you can see. So big, nice long room, and 2 closets in here that sort of run the full length of that wall. This bedroom does face the front of the home. And a nice surprise on this side, you have sort of a huge additional seating or sitting room or sitting area, or could be used as a dressing room, however you want to use that. But it's a whole separate room off of the primary bedroom. You have 2 windows, some built-in shelving, and that's how you access the bathroom as well. So you have a full bath in here with tile flooring and a nicely updated tile shower. So you have the hexagonal tile and some square tile on the wall, and a nice vanity and sort of medicine cabinet style mirror. And then out in the hallway, you have the attic pull down with some possible storage there, as well as the linen closet, and then you have 2 additional bedrooms. So this one faces the front of the house, in that front right corner if you're facing from the street. And it has a small walk-in, which you can see has some nice built-in shelving. Bedroom number 2. This one's at the back right corner of the house. Similar closet, but this one is just sort of a standard flat closet. And then last but not least, you have your full bathroom off the hall. Bright and sunny with single vanity and a shower and tub, and also come that cabinet off the wall with some additional storage. And then you have tile in the shower there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 101 Briarcliffe East in Elgin. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.